So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to block someone from your Snapchat story. This is actually pretty easy, so let's get started right away. So what you want to do is you want to click on the top left corner on your Bitmoji and then go to the settings icon at the top right. Scroll a bit down till you see the Who Can tab, and you want to click on View My Story right here. And it's either set on everyone, my friends, or custom. And if you want to block someone, you want to click on custom. And right here, if you select a person like this, you can block those. You can block those those people. And yeah, just like that, you can just select it however you want, and it says saved and now success. And that's basically it. So that is how you block people from your story. And yeah, I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day.